Okay, everybody, we're doing a heart lab this week, and I figured it could be kind of really intimidating if you've never looked at a heart or thought about what a heart looks like on the inside. So here's a little diagram of a heart. And the first thing I want to do is kind of orient you to the directionality of this heart. So this is the left side, and this is the right side. And that might be a little bit confusing at first, but it actually makes some sense. So if I'm going to draw, I'll draw a little stick figure person. You can see they're facing us. Right. And in their chest here, they've got a heart. You know, everybody's got a heart. And so let me ask you this question. If I were to point at this hand on this person, what hand would that be? Well, that's their left hand, right? So the same logic applies. It doesn't matter which direction this person is facing. If they're facing towards you or if they're facing away from you, the same hand is that left hand. And so the same is true for the heart. If you're sort of looking into a person from their ventral side, their left side from their perspective is the left side of their heart. So you can kind of think about it. I like to think about it just like the hand, where it's like, yep, this left side here is this person's left side, so left side of their heart still counts as their left side. So let's talk about the direction that blood is going to flow. It's going to start, I mean, you know, it's a circuit, so it could really be starting from anywhere, but we're going to start thinking about it from the superior / inferior vena cava. And that's this. This is the superior vena cava. This is the inferior vena cava. So it's going to flow from the vena cava into the right atrium. And I'm drawing this as blue because it is deoxygenated blood. It's going from the vena cava into the right atrium. All right, the right atrium is on top. And it's going to go from the right atrium through what we call the tricuspid valve. So that's here. So actually, let me put a 2 here. This is our right atrium. It's going to flow from the right atrium through the tricuspid valve. So that's our valve here. And then it's going to be in the right ventricle. Right ventricle. Okay. From the right ventricle, it gets pumped through another valve here. This one is called the pulmonary valve. So it goes straight up through the pulmonary valve. And if you know, pulmonary is relating to the vein, or relating to the lungs, rather. So it goes through the pulmonary valve out to the pulmonary arteries. Here. And write this in, pulmonary arteries. So here's your pulmonary valve. It's depicted that way. Just little white bracket looking things here. And then number 6, here's our pulmonary arteries. This is also a pulmonary artery. If you have trouble remembering which way blood is flowing, or what are veins doing, what are arteries doing, arteries are away. So arteries are taking blood away from the heart. Next thing, we've got our lungs here. They don't really look like this. The next thing is the blood sort of goes to the lungs, and some interesting stuff happens, like oxygen comes in, and CO2, wow, let me try that again. CO2 goes out, so that's oxygen in. You know what I'm going to do? I'm abandoning ship. I'm going to do it like this. goes from the pulmonary arteries to the lungs, where oxygen comes in and carbon dioxide goes out. So after it's gone through the pulmonary arteries, been oxygenated by the lungs, it enters the pulmonary veins. So here, let me put a 7 on our lungs. Then we've got our pulmonary veins here. These are both pulmonary veins. And I'm going to just draw the blood now as red because it's picked up some oxygen. It's going back in through here. And it's going to enter the excuse me, the left atrium. I forgot the word atrium for a second. So here's it, number 9. This is the left atrium. Then it's going to go down through what's called the mitral valve into number 11. Oops. Number 11 down here, which is the left ventricle. Okay, so from the left ventricle, it's going to enter what's called the aortic valve. Aortic valve. And that's going to take it up and do this big thing up here, which is called, I guess, actually this is number 12. This will be number 13. Let me try that one more time, guys. This is number 12. This is number 12. This is number 13. So it goes from the aortic valve into the aorta, and the aorta takes it out to the body.